Hi there, girlfriend. How's everything, friend? Welcome to Hit Two Boys with One Stone and making up Hit Two Boys with One Stone. I got them in the dark. Say, forgive me because I got the one hit, you know. But yo, like I do the definition and the dictionary for it. And then we'll do the thing like the good real time, the music, and then more outside of making making of this and inside of making of this and more. So, yep, goodbye for now. Well, here one says about Stone. Stone. Earth material and massive rock-used material. Special blue mountainous pieces of building. So, stone means earth rock. And now, board. Whoops. Board. A creature that flies with wings and can feather that the dust. Yep, the wood board and yep, that's what it look like. So a board is flying feathers. And now, back to me. Oh, y'all. I get the YouTube board on something. I'm going to take dirt and hit feathers, and that will be outside, yep. And now they're expressing outside, and some behind the scenes. I'm making of this, and stop for now. See, I am going to take this stone and hit these two boards with one stone. Here I go. Kapowing. There we go, man. I hit two boards with one stone. Now, you want to know where the stone come from? I'll show you 1 minute. Oh, this is where I got the stone from. Right here. You can see I'm putting the stone back. See? Yeah, this is our driveway. Been a while since I got that from the driveway. Last time was, wait a minute, that was here, we did that. A little Skyland, that's a part of the driveway. And, yep, this is the outside part of making of hit the board with stone, and now for the inside part. That later, yep, good for now. Now, you probably want to know where I got the board from the paper. Well, of course, I put it off the board on paper, but I bet you really want to know it. Well, I got it from my computer. Some clipper, a line, I don't know. It's two boards, I don't know. I didn't figure that. So, let's get to the put on my computer and stop for now. And this is a clip on the board. Alright, computer. Yeah, funny, right? And back to me. Stop. Yeah, the music's getting a little annoying now. Well, I guess this is, making of hit two boys with one stone. And also, welcome to hit two boys with one stone and the making of hit. This will not be kid-friendly because it got the hit. But I hope y'all keep watching the video I made. Even though you all need to watch me block 15 because that I will say how to literally subscribe to me. But keep enjoying, and because this will be on just me list, and like guess this is the last expression I'm doing. I don't know, because well, this is November, which is the in between season, and it felt like winter outside, but it looked like fall, so it is fall, winter. And you will never know what I'm coming with next. So, yeah, goodbye for now. Stop for now. Bye bye, Kelvin.